So hello everyone, welcome to this another video of Scale Up India. I'm Abhishek Verma and you are watching part 4 of our Maven series. So in this video, we are going to learn how to download and install Maven in our machine and how to run a Maven code directly from the command prompt. So let's get. Now before we proceed with the next part, I just wanted to show you that here our Maven list is now almost completed. First of all, we saw why do we need Maven with the help of a very simple demo. Then we saw how to quick start with the Maven, a very simple project, and then we converted the project to a web application. We saw what are the different kinds of difficulties we are going to face whenever we are going to create a web application with the Maven. So everything is available in detail. So please have a look and check all the videos. Now before we download and install the Maven in our machine, let's see if we already have the Maven or not. So for this, we will go here to our command prompt, and before the Maven, the very first prerequisite is Java. So let's see if we have Java in our machine. Obviously, since I'm making the videos, so I'm having that in my machine, but this is a very easiest way you can check. So here you can see that when I say Java space hyphen version, I'm getting the version as 17. Rest doesn't matter as much. And now if I check for the Maven, so I'll just say MVN, that stands for the Maven, and I'll say -v. So for this, it says that MVN is not recognized as an internal or external command. So that means that Maven doesn't exist in my machine. So now let me just close this and let's go here and let's see how we can do the same. So let's say Maven install, something like this. Let's search. Now this is the very first website of Apache Maven and we always need to go for this one. So here you can see that they have given us the various ways how we can do so. So let's directly go to the download part of this, and here you can see that they are also saying the minimum requirements are that we need to have JDK 8 or above in a machine, and we have that. So we have JDK 17. Now let's go to this zip folder, and this is the easiest way which I like. So I'll go to this bin zip, and I guess the download is completed. So let's go here. So you can see that Apache Maven 3.94 bin zip is now available. So I'll extract this, and in order to extract, what I will be doing is that instead of the downloads folder, let's extract this in the C drive in the program files. So let's browse a bit. Now what we will do is we'll go to C drive and we'll go to this program files where generally most of the things exist. So what we will be doing is that here we will be creating a new folder first of all, which is a good practice. So here we will say Apache, and in this folder we will be keeping, because again this Maven is coming from the Apache, so we'll give this folder and we'll select this. So now this is the location in C drive program files Apache. You can go for any other name also, and let's extract the same. So we need to have the admin access for the same. So I hope that you will be having, in case if it is your personal laptop. In case if you are working in an organization, then you may need to have the access, or you can ask your IT department to install the same, and then you don't need to worry. But still, knowing the steps is always a good practice, so that you can do the same on your personal device also. So it won't take much time, and let's hope it will get completed. So now the installation is complete, and in the program files I can see I have an Apache folder, and within that I have this Apache Maven 3.944. So it's a good practice, and within that also you can see we have the bin folder, lib folder, and all other folders are available. Now what we are going to do is that we will copy this path. So the path is before the bin folder, so we'll copy this path, and then we will go to this PC, and here we need to set the path. So here we will just say as properties, and in the properties we'll say advanced system settings, and within that we will say environment variables. So we need to set the path here, and we need to set it for the whole system. So within the system variables we'll just say new, and here we will be choosing the name as m2 underscore home. So this is the one. Now this is the general name which many other tools also will use. So let's say that in future you are going to download and install some other tool, and that also needs the Maven. So it will look for the name of this thing only, that is m2 underscore home. Earlier it used to be Maven underscore home, but nowadays it is something like this. So we will just save it like this till Apache Maven 3.944, and now let's say OK. So now we can see this path exists here. So after this we will go to the path. So here in the path we will just say as edit, and we need to add the path here also. So either you can make usage of that m2 underscore home which you just added, or you can directly take the whole path also. So for this, what we will be doing is that we need to go till the bin folder, and this bin should appear here. So bin is, I have copied this particular thing. Let's go back and add it here. So we'll just say new and add the path here. So now this path is still bin, and I will just say here OK. So let me just double check. So you can see that it is here till the bin. If you wish, you can either go for m2 underscore home bin also, and that's also a good practice. Like if you don't want to change it again and again, then you can directly make usage of m2 underscore home. It is the same thing. Like, why do we create variables in Java? So same way we are doing it here. So any of the ways are fine. We'll just say OK here, and yeah, that's done I guess, and we'll again just say OK there too. Now let's open the command prompt again. Let's again verify the Java version quickly first. So we'll just say here Java space hyphen version. And now let's verify the Maven version also. So for this we will again say mvn hyphen v. So now you can see that mvn has been installed here. The version is 3.944, and this is also pointing to our Java version. So it is able to locate our Java also. Here also we have Maven home. So that is pointing to the correct folder as 3.9.4. So everything is ready here. Now the next thing is that with the help of this Maven in our machine directly, we can create a new Maven project also. We can do the cleaning also. We can create the jar file also. We can deploy the project also, and we can do any of the things. And since we already have the projects in our machine, so if I open the Eclipse, you see that we have this demo 1 and demo 2. If you want to know how these demo 1 and demo 2 looks like, then you need to watch those videos. So we will directly go here to the workspace where these folders exist. Now what I will be going to do is that I'll go to this demo 1 here. Now in the demo 1 I have this pom.xml file. So you need to go till this particular path where you can see your pom.xml file. So one option is either you can take that path, copy it here, or we can just close it and we can again open the command prompt from this folder. So let's do it. So now we are inside the demo 1, and if we see pom.xml is visible to us, so it should be in the root folder. Now here first of all we will say mvn clean. So last time you saw that when we were working in the Eclipse, at that time we were just saying clean. But since now we are in the command prompt, so we need to say mvn space clean. So we need to use this mvn prefix before each and every command. And let's as of now just say mvn clean, because I know that something already exists in my target folder. So as of now my goal is just to clean. If I will just say mvn clean package, then you will see again everything is created, and I won't be able to show you anything interesting there except the date difference. So let's say mvn clean here, and let's wait now. So you can see that it is showing me success and it says deleting this target. So let's just refresh this. So you can see that now we don't have the target folder available here because it has been deleted. And now let's say mvn, and here also if you wish you can just say package, or you can even say mvn clean package. This is my favorite command, so I will just say mvn clean package here. So we'll do this and then let's wait. So you can see things are working, test cases are also running, and it says the jar file has been created. So let's verify the same. So target folder exists, and now the jar file has been again created with current date as 8 September 2023. So now we can see that Maven has been downloaded, Maven has been installed, and Maven is also working fine, guys. So that's it with this video, and I hope you liked the video and you are going to watch the whole series also. So thanks everyone, and subscribe to our channel Scale Up.